Hello everybody, my name is Predrag Daničić and welcome to the channel BTC AI Price Prediction. Anyway, my last video was recorded, I did not record last week, but my last video was recorded 2 weeks ago on 12th of May, right here. Back then I was extremely bearish and I am still extremely bearish, even though in the meantime we had first CPI report, which was this candle here, and then EFT for Ethereum. It was also approved. Those two were extremely bullish signals, and since then we got, well, from the lows of 57,000, 56,000, we are up almost 25, 23 or something %, which is a really nice rise over the next 3 weeks or 21 days, call it however you want. But still, the fact remains that right now we are at 68.7 thousand. This is the same price I sold my Bitcoin for at 8th of March. At 8th of March, I sold for the same price Bitcoin. And we cannot put new all-time high in last 74, 75 days, almost 3 months, 2.5 months. For me, all of this still stays big side movement. And I understand that people are bullish because of this, but still take a look. Immediately after approval of Ethereum for the EFT, Bitcoin went down for 3 days in a row. Even on Twitter, when I see those Perma Bulls yelling, they are usually now speaking of price of 85,000 or something. They are not yelling 100,000 or something like that. I'm still staying on stable coins, and I will continue to stay in the stable coins until I see that Bitcoin fallen somewhere to this line. What Bitcoin will do in the meantime, it's not my problem. It doesn't concern me, but the reason is quite simple for this decision. And I bought my crypto somewhere around here in this period of time. Okay, I bought it some here. I had something from here that I did not sold. Nice bull. Throw a bull. Yeah. Okay. I'm bad drawer. Anyway, this bull run was really nice and good, but I simply would not like to risk my profits by entering again to the market. And I simply want to secure my amount of USDT or USDC that I have right now. And for me, I think it is much smarter to stay in the stable coins for now. Especially, I had my run, I got my money. Now it's time to save the money. Now it's not time to risk it again. I don't like 40% gain would put us almost to 100,000. 40% fall would put us to 40,000. For me, it's simply not worth the risk for another 40% gain to risk 40% loss. You know that 40% loss is much, much bigger than 40% gain. So until we see this 52, 53,000, I am still holding my stacks, holding my profit, and still waiting. If I don't see any more profit, if Bitcoins goes really all the way up, that's fine. I still got my money. I did not lost anything. If it goes down, then I have nice opportunity to buy. The only option for me to reconsider buying again is if we have a really, really long side movement all the way to 2025. At the end of the year, if we have only side movement, then I will consider buying for the current prices. The next thing that I wanted to show you is Ethereum USD graph, which is quite interesting. Ethereum USD is worth watching because those EFTs are improved. At that day, we had, by the way, jump of Ethereum price for almost 20%, which is really nice. And Ethereum did not, like, take a look at this. Yeah, for me. Oh, he doesn't want to go. Okay, record the video. Good. Okay, maybe. Yeah, he's working now. Anyway, goings. What is interesting about Ethereum? Take a look what Ethereum did after EFT was improved. It got a 20% jump from that day, but after that, he went another 5-6% up, and it did not lose any value like Bitcoin. Let me just drawings. So Bitcoin after approval went down for 3 days and then did not recover the price. Ethereum just kept its price, or it went slightly up on that day. So I think that Ethereum is at this moment more bullish than Bitcoin. And there is a really high chance that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in the future. We will see how much and for how long. By the way, let's switch to Bitcoin dominance. Let me just quickly refresh the page. At the moment, we got this Ethereum approval. All alts, or most of the alts, went up for the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin lost almost 2% of dominance. Now we are at this moment, this, just zoom it out a little. At this moment, it looks like we are not anymore in this channel, and that Bitcoin dominance is not rising so nicely as it was rising before. There is possibility that this Bitcoin dominance, this uptrend of Bitcoin dominance will get broken, and that we will see final fall of Bitcoin dominance and run of the alts in near future. I'm still not comfortable with buying alts. I'm still sticking to my previous plan to wait at least to 58 to 60% dominance for Bitcoin in order to consider buying the alts. And I would not be comfortable even buying Ethereum at this point. Maybe some small stack, maybe 20% of portfolio to put in Ethereum just in case. But for me, it's just staying stable coins, and that's it. So as you can see, I'm still bearish, and I'm completely bearish regarding my trades. Yes, I had one small trade. I will show you it now on 30 minutes chart. So I wanted to buy here. This order was never filled, so I missed this run, because of course if I see big drops in the price, I will probably try to buy it and sell quickly. If I see big jump in the price, like I saw again here, I put some money in the short position, about 5% of portfolio on isolated margin, of course. And my plan is to, if it goes up, yeah, I put some money here, around here. Actually, it was here. And my plan was, if it goes above 72, just close this position with loss. But fortunately, we had this week down and I close it here. So yes, this is regarding my trades. Maybe this was a really minuscule profit, maybe 1% or something of profit. All in all, how much it was? Maybe not really important. I'm doing those trades from time to time, once in several months, when I see a really good opportunity. I'm not a professional trader. And yes, I am still completely bearish. But yeah, one interesting thing that I noticed on Twitter, maybe I mentioned it, maybe I not, but most of the people on Twitter are now yelling for $80,000, $85,000 price. when we were here, everybody, or here, or here, or here, everybody was yelling about 100, 150,000 or some gibberish like that. Now they are yelling for $85,000 price, which again, it is interesting how their expectations got a little bit lower, and my guesstimate is that this trend will eventually get broken. We will see finally dropping down. Everybody will say, oh no, market is over, everything's done, crypto is dead, and then I will have again my opportunity to properly buy into the crypto. Regarding my AI script, AI script is absolutely disagreeing with me absolutely. On the 18th of April, when our price was around 63,000, this script became completely bullish. And since then, as you can see, it is 80% bullish, which is a lot. Really bullish script. My AI script is completely bullish, and it is every day predicting that Bitcoin will go up. Let me just check something. I will show you what is another interesting thing is that because of this rise in the price that we had recently, going again, so I can show you. So because of this rise in the price recently that we see, by the way, script is trying to predict what, how will Bitcoin in 1 month be at higher or lower price in 1 month. So let me just show you date greater than 1st 2024 and is correct equal to 1. Zero 1 0 4. Okay. Sorry. My apologies. It was about date 2004 and checked 1 and okay. So 66 rows. 66 times this script was correct, and it was not correct 50 times. So accuracy of this script actually went above 50%, which is relatively nice. 1.75 times. Okay. It was, yeah, 20%. Sorry. 1.32. It have 32% more chances to be correct than not correct. And finally, it is more accurate than just flipping the coin, which, I guess, okay for now. By the way, at this moment, it is printing. I will leave you link to this spreadsheet in the description of this video, but at this moment, it is printing like predictions of 82%, or more than 80%. It is sure that Bitcoin will have higher price in 30 days than it is today. I don't believe into these predictions. I don't believe this script, and for me, I want to secure my profit and I want to save my money. So yes, for me, it is just the waiting game until we fall below this square. If don't fall, if go up, that's fine. I wish you luck. Not. That's it. I'm not trying to yell at you that yes, we will get rich by next summer. I am not believing that we will get rich this summer. I don't believe that any of us will get rich this summer if you are not rich already. So this is it. This is all from me in today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you want to like it. And yes, in description of this video you can see some other links to the Telegram channels when I'm posting my trades, when I do them, and their script is posting every day what is their prediction. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.